Does the idea of creating an ebook feel overwhelming? Does the thought of designing, formatting, and publishing seem like a mountain too high to climb? Well, it doesn't have to be. In the world of technology, there's a solution for almost everything, and creating an ebook is no exception. Enter the AI ebook builder, the answer to all your ebook creation woes. This is not just any ebook builder, it's an AI-based professional creator, a game-changing tool that's transforming the way ebooks are made. Imagine being able to make over 50,000 children's story ebooks, subjective ebooks, fiction ebooks, mystery ebooks, science fiction ebooks, novels, poems, legal documents, and project report presentations. Sounds unbelievable, right? But that's what this AI ebook builder is all about. One of the most impressive features of this tool is its ability to create beautiful templates. Gone are the days when you had to spend countless hours designing and tweaking your ebook's layout. With this AI ebook builder, you can have a professional-looking ebook in no time. The AI does all the heavy lifting. It creates the perfect layout, chooses the right fonts, and even picks out the ideal color scheme. But it doesn't stop there. The AI ebook builder also comes with powerful AI images. These aren't your typical stock images. They're tailor-made for your ebook, enhancing the look and feel of your content. With these images, your ebook will not only be informative, but also visually appealing, keeping your readers engaged from start to finish. And the benefits don't end with the creation process. Once your ebook is ready, you have 100% PLR rights. This means you have the full rights to edit, distribute, and even sell your ebook. You're in complete control of your content, and the possibilities are endless. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I'm not tech-savvy. Can I really use this tool? The answer is a resounding yes. The AI ebook builder is user-friendly. You don't need any technical skills to use it. All you need is your creativity, and the AI will take care of the rest. Creating an ebook doesn't have to be a struggle. With the AI ebook builder, it can be a fun, rewarding process. So why not give it a try? Unleash your creativity, make your ebook, and share your story with the world. You never know, your ebook might just be the next big hit. In the vast realm of ebook creation, the AI ebook builder is your secret weapon. Harness its power and turn your ebook dreams into reality. The world is waiting for your story. Make it happen with the AI ebook builder.